Hey, good morning, everybody. Tim here with Expert Power Wash. We are in Portland, Oregon. Hey, I just wanted to kind of just shoot the breeze with you guys and talk about a few things that has been going on with Expert Power Wash. Kind of give you an update where we're at. We've been kind of not great at making videos, and a lot of the videos that I make are about equipment and how to set this up, the IBC tote, plumbing, the trailer. There's been lots of views on the trailer, so I want to thank you guys for all the views, all the subscribers, all the likes. Our last videos that we've put out there about the Skyvac has not been very well received, and I think some of the reason for that is I have a lot of followers or subscribers, people that are in my local area that subscribe to the channel. There's even been comments from some of the local competition. So if that's you guys, hey, I'd love to have a cup of coffee with you. Get a hold of me. Life's too short to try to tear apart somebody else or hate on what somebody else is trying to do. Maybe you should be out there hustling for yourself and trying to get things done. So as always, I try to keep things positive, but I wanted to address that group of people out there. These Skyvac videos, when I put them out there, it's in one of the comments on one of the videos, there was 6 dislikes, and that was instantly. So if you subscribe to the channel and your sole purpose is to just see how many dislikes you can put on my videos as soon as I post them, find something else to do. There's plenty of stuff out there. I can honestly say I've never disliked a video. If I don't like it, move on, go watch something else. So part of that is changing your mindset. So if that's you, hey, there's lots of good business books out there. There's help for you. Let's all try to support one another in this industry and try to take care of each other. If you don't like my videos, don't watch them. Okay. Let's see where to start. So I joined the BNI. That has starting to be a great opportunity. So the president of our BNI group is one of the top 10% real estate agents here in Portland, Oregon. So I got a meeting set up with her next week, but she does anywhere from 60 to 80 home sales every year. So just a little tip, if you're looking to increase your business, and this is probably more so for the new guys. If you guys have been doing this forever, you're booked out, of course, 3 weeks out into the winter, hooray for you. That's not where we are at yet currently. I'm hoping to get there. And again, this channel is just to help guys out. So I don't claim to be a professional on everything that I put out there, but if I find something that works and it's helpful to somebody, hopefully it's something that can help you. So going back to the BNI, so I set up a meeting with that real estate agent. She does 60 to 80 houses a year. She said that every house that sells, she has the windows cleaned, and if the concrete needs to be cleaned or the roof needs to be addressed, she has one company that currently does that. So every house that sells gets an exterior or at least a window cleaning makeover. And she said the reason why she does that is it sells faster. Clients, buyers like a clean house. It's putting your best foot forward. She has a company that she works with. It's a bigger company than mine. Excuse my dog. She's throwing a bottle around. So, anyways, she has somebody that does her windows. It's a bigger company than mine. And with being the president of the BNI, she's invited this company to be a part of the BNI, and they, for whatever reason, just didn't join. She's told them that she's loyal to her BNI folks, and still this company has not joined the BNI. So she's had to tell them this week that all the houses going forward will be going to me. So this is not a brag. Hey, look at me! I stole somebody else's business. I don't even know who this other company is. I wish them the best of luck. My intention is not to take business from them. That's not my goal. My goal is to grow my business and take care of me, and then help anybody I can possibly help. But she's given them the opportunity. They've been to the BNI meetings. there's 40, 50 other people. Excuse me there for a second. I'll take this bottle from my dog. She's throwing around here. Anyways, so they've had the opportunity to be a part of this BNI and they refuse. So BNI is what, $600-700 a year. So it sounds like a lot of money, and it is a lot of money. But $600 or $700, you guys know in our industry, we could make that on one job. So if you continue to make that kind of money throughout the year, just from the BNI, I mean, imagine the payoff. How much money you guys spend on AdWords? I know I was spending in the summer anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 on AdWords. And don't quote me on the numbers here, so it was probably a 10% ad budget on that. So I'd spend 10% to make the whole 100%, whatever. So, but the BNI, you pay that money once, and then you get in front of all these people. You get to do presentations and get to promote your business. And a lot of BNI members are loyal to their members, which means they're only going to do business within the BNI group. So that's a great tip for you guys. Anybody that's thinking on how to network or how to market your business, definitely check out the BNI, and I will keep you guys updated as to how that goes. I've had 3 people today come up to me and approach me for business opportunities or possible jobs. I got a quote that I got to go do. So today I was inducted as a member. I was a visitor. I believe you can visit 2 or 3 times, do your application, the whole application process. While you're doing that, you can still attend. But it goes to show you. So I'm going to pick up 60 to 80 homes a year. I'm going to get referrals from other business owners and other members throughout the group, and that's all from $600-700 investment. So I don't know what you guys think, but that's a no-brainer. I don't know what the percentage will be. Maybe at the end of, since I'm joining so late, it's the middle of November or so of 2019. Maybe we'll revisit this BNI deal again in 2020, November 2020. And I can tell you what percentage of this $700 versus the amount of business that I got for the year. So with that being said, BNI, check it out. Just do a Google search BNI. It'll pull up a chapter in your area. Visit it. Definitely worth it. One of the other things, and I'll talk very briefly about this, is Instagram. I'm using Facebook. Obviously, you guys can search Expert Power Wash. Find my Facebook page. A lot of you guys follow it. There's a lot of likes on there, but really it's, I don't know, it basically seems like a popularity contest with pressure washers. So there is some customers that follow it. But one thing that we do, going back to Instagram, one of the things that we do wrong, or at least what I was doing wrong, is I was accepting every friend request, whether it be another pressure washing group or somebody across the United States. And I will still do that. I like you guys. I appreciate the support. I will continue to support, and I don't mind sharing my page. But anybody that's going to build a Instagram page or do something business related to help promote business, meeting with somebody, and I can link her information below if you guys are interested in getting a hold of her, Brandy Henry. But one of the things she pointed out to me is, one thing, I wasn't using hashtags. And the rare occasions when I did use hashtags, I was using the wrong ones. So I was putting in like pressure washing near me, or house washing, roof cleaning, window cleaning, Portland, Oregon, which that's great if somebody's searching for that. And again, if I'm completely off on this Instagram stuff, I'm still learning. So I'm in the very, very early stages. Anyway, so I got a group of tags, and what it is local things like PDX Realty or some of the other people that might be in industries that could use the services that I provide. But it's hashtagged with what their businesses are or what type of business that they're running. So my Instagram doesn't have a lot of followers. It doesn't really have a lot of traction yet, but the small amount that it did was just other pressure washing companies. So you open it up and it's just, okay, cool. Before and after picture from somebody in North Carolina. That's pretty awesome. Comment on it. But it really does nothing to grow your business. So what you want to do, and what I found out, and I'm just repeating things that a professional told me, is that you want to stay top of mind. So you want to follow people that are local, obviously. You want to follow people that have influence on services that they might possibly need from you. So what you want to do is just hashtag them or follow them types of people. So every time you post something, it's going to come up in their feed, and then you're going to stay top of mind. You don't have to blow it up. You don't have to overdo it. So this is another marketing strategy that I'm going to be working on this winter. So getting these things fine-tuned during the winter months is definitely the way to go. You guys, hopefully you guys all had a great season or having a great season. I'll tell you my numbers, and I'm not going to give exact numbers, but I'll tell you that if I don't do another job from now till the end of the year, I've already had a 40% increase over last year. So that is huge. My goal next year with some of these new marketing strategies that I'm putting into place is to have 50% increase. So I already have my goals, but we could have these goals and write them down and say, hey, this is what I want to do, but what is the plan of action? What are you going to do to put these goals into place? So if I have to do, I'm going to throw a number out there. If I have to do 300,000 next year, what's my average client worth? How many jobs am I going to have to do? How am I going to find these jobs? How much money in marketing? How much money in AdWords spend? So you really got to break this stuff down, put it to paper, and then start just working on the smallest things. You know, what is it? You got to do 2 jobs a day, 3 jobs a day. How are you going to get these jobs? How are you going to schedule them? Do you have enough help to get these jobs done? Is it possible? So just, take this time to fine tune your strategy for next year. And I wish you guys all the best of luck. Again, if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button down below. Give me a like. And as I get more and more into marketing and some of this back end stuff, I'm gonna put out more videos like this. I watched something recently, and this is for some of you guys to think about. We talk about our pressure washers, how big they are, how many they are, how shiny it is, how much flow it has, but how much flow of customers are you gonna get? That's what really matters right now, because I got one 8 gallon a minute machine. I love it. I brag about it, or did it a little bit here and there, but it's a great machine. But I can have that great machine sit in the garage, and if I'm just focused on the flow of my machine and not the flow of my customers, that machine's probably going to end up for sale somewhere on Craigslist. Now, granted, I'm not selling my machine, but it's happened many, many times. Guys have, just focused on equipment and not much focused on marketing. So, telling you guys, it's November. Fine tune your stuff for next year, and hopefully you guys all have a great year. Hit me up. I'll be putting out more videos, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great one.